Hello, you guys. So the word is on the streets, it's everywhere. Yes, I am officially starting my YouTube channel, like officially of the official essence. Hi you guys, my name is Ndubiselo Chikufaith and this is Moments with Fun. But for short, you can call me Miss Fun, okay? So basically, so that this video will not be so long, I'll just dive into it. Yeah, so basically on this video we'll be talking about mental health issues in this scenario, in this time where a lot of no grief for anybody is just going up everywhere in Nigeria. Our mental health, your mind, your wholeness, like the mind of your being needs to be in check. Do you understand? So basically we're going to talk about that, talk about depression, anxiety, and all those stuffs. Yeah, so on this channel we just have a lot of mental health discussions going on back to back, and then in the course of me starting this video officially, I have gone to do a lot of studies and a lot of things that I've seen on YouTube. So basically as we grow, I'm going to share with you YouTube and tips that will also help new YouTubers and stuff. So to get more of me and to see me more often, and if your mental health is of interest to you, like, share, and please subscribe. Let's go on this journey together. Bye.